Hello, my name is Alba and today I am going to talk about the app Picsart Animator. The application is called Picsart Animator and it is an interesting app for mobile phones. Within the application you can create animations of a drawing or a sticker. It is very useful and helps you to get good and fast results. Here you can see some samples of some work carried out with the application. And here you got a short trailer.
Invincible.
The main advantage of Picsart Animator is that it can be used on all mobile devices, and it is easy to use, it is free, and it is also quite simple. On the other hand, one of these disadvantages is that it cannot be used on computers or tablets, so you have fewer options. And that's all. I hope you have found this app interesting, and if anyone has any question about the app, please feel free to ask me. And I hope you have enjoyed this as much as I have, and thank you very much.